tutorial on how to create a blog post on your new WordPress website. And so I'm in the back end of my website. I've logged in already, and then you just want to hit this area called post. So you click on post, and again, I was already in that area. You can click on add new here, or you can click on add new here. So I'm going to briefly show you the different kind of blog posts. I have vlogs as well as regular blog posts on mine. So this is an example of a vlog. Okay. Sorry, on the wrong one. Alright, so this is an example of a vlog, and I've basically embedded my IGTV channel in here, and it will show you what that looks like. So they'd be able to click on there, it would bring them to YouTube, and then they'd be able to click and hear what your vlog was about. Wanting to become an entrepreneur is to make sure that you have an underlying consistent. Okay, so that would be an example of a vlog. Now, an example of a regular blog would be, let's just say something like this. Okay, where I kind of wrote in, I have different titles here, things of that nature, and I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, so you know, I have links where I can go to links, things of that nature. So this would be an example of just a written blog. So if you want to create something like that on your site, you go back here, you go to add new. And then once you add new, you start to begin writing. So you want to give a title to your blog. So title of blog here, and then you can literally just start typing. So if you want to split it up in headers, you can say, you know, this might be a header. Then I'll start typing Alright, so let's just say I type that. Now I want this in a different font, so let me just make sure I bold it, and I might make it big like this, right? So I'm starting it. Now if I wanted to go ahead and add media or add pictures, let's say I want to add a picture, then I can do that here. And let's say I want to add this picture, right? So I'm going to go ahead and insert that into the post. And if I want to see how I'm looking, then I can always go to preview, which I can click here. So I'm going to click preview. And once I click preview, it's going to give me kind of like a snapshot of how my blog is coming together. Like you can see I have started my blog, which was my title. I started writing, and then there's a picture that I included in my blog. So that is literally, guys, how you would begin to write your blog. You can categorize it here by putting it in a certain category on this end, or you can add a new category. And then tagging is extremely important. So you want to tag it with things that the blog may be about. And tagging is simply like if someone were to go in Google and search terms, what would they be searching to find your blog post? That's what you want to put there, and then you can always set a featured image. So that's always a nice touch as well, to set a featured image for that blog. So if someone was searching in Google, this is like a snapshot of what they would see. They would see the title of my blog, and they'd see like whatever picture or my featured picture that I uploaded, and things of that nature. So that is how you write a blog. I hope you guys have fun blogging, happy blogging, and happy 2020.